welcome to the Helman family Christmas. Now, for those of you who watch along with me regularly, you know that normally I'm being creative, making cards and things out of paper. Well, today we are being creative in the kitchen. So this has kind of become a little bit of a tradition where we make fun, like themed foods for some of the holidays. I started this with my daughter when she was young, when it was just the two of us. And I wanted to have a way to celebrate the holidays just with her, like just with us, with our little family unit. And, you know, we eat the normal holiday food at several other gatherings. It's like, well, what can I do that's different and that will impress a 2-year-old? So we started doing these themed food parties for, you know, Thanksgiving, Christmas, maybe a couple other special occasions throughout the year. So this is our family Christmas, and I thought you might enjoy seeing some of the fun foods that we created. So let me share them with you. So here you can see the assortment. We have pizza, cheesy pull-apart bread, a relish tray, Christmas Jello, some Santa hat brownies, penguin Oreos, and maybe the favorite is the Grinch punch. So we'll start with the pizza. We've done this before. You can make pizza in any shape you want. Normally I make my pizza dough from scratch, but there has been too much happening for that to happen lately. So I went the easy way. I bought some refrigerated pizza crust and we turned it into a snowman. The kids love to help decorate that. So we did that. A first this time was the cheesy pull-apart bread in the shape of a Christmas tree. And this was a family favorite. We will be making this again in the future for sure. If you love bread, cheese, butter, and garlic, you will love this bread. Next, the relish tray. We made the relish tray in the shape of a wreath this time. We've done it in the shape of a Christmas tree in the past, which was fun. I do really like this wreath. I thought it turned out really pretty. The Christmas Jello, this is fun with the red and the green, and then the center layer was cream cheese and pineapple and marshmallows and a few other things mixed together. And then let's look at the brownies, the Santa hat brownies. These are just delicious. This is where the fruit comes into our meal, right? These are so healthy for you. So we have the brownie bites on the bottom. Again, I took the easy way out because we've been short on time lately, and I bought the brownie bites, made the cream cheese mixture, stuck a strawberry on there, called it good. They're delicious. The Oreos, these take a little bit more time than some of the other things, but were totally worth it. Are these not like the cutest things you've ever seen? Now, I have to admit, these do not look nearly as professional as the samples I saw online where I found my idea. But we thought ours turned out super cute too. So, and they were delicious. And let's see, the Grinch punch. This stuff is delicious. The hardest thing about the Grinch punch is finding the lime sherbet. It has become kind of a challenge. We ended up buying margarita sherbet. Did you know that they sell such a thing? Margarita sherbet. It is non-alcoholic, and the downfall of it was it wasn't green. It was lemon lime flavored, but it was not green. So we added a little bit of food coloring to make our Grinch punch green. Our second batch, we didn't go to the effort of coloring it, so it was yellow. So we had yellow Grinch punch the second round. But this is what we made. So you may be watching thinking like, who has the time to do that? And honestly, and you can think that, that's fine, I'm not offended. We've had a ton going on. And we squeeze this in because it's important. Like, this is our own little family thing. Yeah, we go here and there and all over the place to spend time with other people, but this is our own little Christmas here. And honestly, it doesn't really take much or any more time than making, you know, a regular meal. And the kids really enjoy it, and the girls have gotten involved in helping. They, you know, love to help with all of it. So you could consider doing something like this too. I'll tell you where I get my ideas because I don't make them up myself for the most part. is online, I search for like fun Christmas foods or fun Thanksgiving foods, and you can find all kinds of really neat ideas. So you can consider this if you have people come to your house for Christmas and they're eating the normal food somewhere else. You know, this could be something fun and different that people would remember for a long time. So just thought I would share. I hope you have a Merry Christmas, and I'll see you again soon.